Next up, fresh meat for Banshee. In this, we need to retrieve intel about the true nature of Blue Lagoon and report back. For this, you'll need to head all the way down to, you guessed it, Blue Lagoon in the extreme southeast side of the map and make your way towards the office building right over here in pretty much the center of 117-204. There is an entrance in the wall here, but just keep in mind there are thousands of bots everywhere here, and they're all pretty angry, but they're all relatively squishy at the same time. We'll head behind this and all the way to the offices over here, and we'll make our way into the left door over here. So, just inside here, besides a bot, that scared me. Anyways, entering and heading to the left, you'll find this round table over here, and just on it, a guest list. Just keep in mind that this object may be located in a slightly different area in this same building, but still you shouldn't need a key in order to complete this mission. It seems like some objects move around based on whoever's trying to do the quest. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to do fresh meat. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.